Guys, unboxing time, guys. Let's unbox my China importation order together. This is my first time ever posting this kind of video here on YouTube, and I'm really excited. And if you want to learn how to import from China, you can check through my videos. If you have any question concerning China importation, do well to leave it in the comment section. But that aside, let us unbox this item that I got from China. This is a little over, I think this is 0.126 cbm according to the shipping company. But when I measured it, it was not up to 0.126. It was measuring 0.1. So this is what 0.1 cbm looks like. Let me put it down a bit so you can see it. Can you see? This is what a 0.1 cbm goods look like. So now let us unbox it, guys. I'm so excited to be back on YouTube. I've left YouTube for quite a while, and I'm so excited to be back. And this time I want to share my knowledge. I want to build a community on YouTube. Hi guys, my name is Oluwakemisola, and if today is your first time coming across my page, do well to click the subscribe button, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Turn on the notification bell, and I promise that this page is going to be value packed. We'll be talking mostly about your finance. If you want to start a business, this is the best page for you to subscribe into. So now let's go ahead and unbox this item. I've been looking for my scissors. I can't find it, so we're just going to do it this way. I'm going to be using this pen. I usually do not unbox my client's order, except if it is packed with my own order. So most times I send my client's order to them directly. This is the first item, is a shoe for my baby. And guys, so yes, I've been able to open it up, and this is how it looks. Let me put this down a bit. So this is what we have, and buttons for my factory, for our clothing factory. My husband runs a clothing factory, and these are buttons. This is all we have here. This thing is so heavy, like it's heavier than I expected it to be. But this is it. What's here? Okay, this is underwear for me. This is bra. This is it. Wow. Hey! We have this. Okay, these are underwears. Bralettes, like we usually call them. These are bralettes. And that's white, and this is black. Oh my. This is a mini fan. This is jean. This is a jean trouser. This is my second time buying from this particular supplier. Yes. This is a makeup bag. Okay, you see that? And I guess this is shoe for my baby. Oh, this is shoe for my baby. Angela, I see your shoe. Take it. Say thank you, mommy. Good girl. Can you imagine this item packed into this carton? Look at it. Look at the space. This is another item. I hope they didn't pack it like that one. Oh, this is my bag. Wow, this is my bag. I'm so excited about this one. The bag is so portable. Feel, wow, this bag is so cute. Oh, I will always prefer Pindodo suppliers packaging to 1688. This is my leggings. This leggings is so thick, very thick. Can you see? Angela, what do you want? You want to lie down? So this is another bag. Wow, I'm so in love. Can you see that color? This is the second time I'm buying this pattern of bag, for you to know that I like something like this very much. And this is so fine. I'm going to be running this as part of my pre-order package. So if you want to join my pre-order group, just send me a message. Oh, this is another bag. So let's open it. I have this type of bag in brown, so my mom got us in black. And this is so beautiful. So if you would like to learn how to import from China by yourself, you want to learn how to buy things, order for other people, you can also send me a DM. This is airband. If you know me, you'd know that I'm into airbands a lot. I love airbands. So I bought this 4-in-1. I bought this 4 piece of airband. And yeah, this is my baby shoe. So I helped my husband to get this shoe. And you see, feel the packaging. And this is what we have. Yeah. Wow. Look at that shoe. This shoe is so fine. I got it for somebody and my husband saw it and liked it. So he told me to help him order it. He paid for it. So this is it. It's so fine. I can't wait for him to come back home and see his shoe. He has been asking me, when is my shoe going to come? That's one thing about ordering for your friends and family. Especially when you want to use C. Those people can stress the broad daylight out of you. So this is a machine. There's a machine inside this place. Ah, omo. It's so heavy, oh. I can't carry it. I don't need to take it out. Can you see there's a machine inside this place? Look at it. So I'm not going to be unboxing this machine. It's a cap presser. It's a cap presser. Um, it's for my client. So when he unboxes it, I'm going to tell him to send me a video. Then I'm going to probably add it to this um unboxing video. So guys, that's all for my unboxing today. See you in my next video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Leave me a question if you have any question related to importation. Drop it in the comment section. I'm going to be replying you as fast as possible. If you need help paying your supplier, you need help buying anything from China, you want me to help you source, you want me to help you procure, all you need to do is send me a message. Contact is going to be in my bio or in the description box, or you can even ask for it in the comment section and I'm going to be sending it to you. I don't reply anybody that is not sending the message from my account, please. So guys, that being said, bye and see you in my next video.